Good evening.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Street Scenes 1997. Sit back and relax as we take you on a cruise down the mighty Mississippi. Enjoy the 17th and most sensational edition of the world-famous Curly, Girly, Hurly, Burly Review. A 10-hour day today. I said hip hip! Hooray! Maestros! If you love your home and want to furnace it just right, come see Gary O'Reilly and you'll do it right tonight. He's got Thomasville, or Reduction Class, Curio cabinets with shelving glass, entertainment centers, a new way of living. Your wife will love you for the price he's giving. Deliveries, be there in an hour. His trucks arriving, the sun, snow, and showers. Tables, chairs, and new dinettes. O'Reilly's fine furniture is the best. Everybody!
River in the rain. Sometimes at night you look like a long white train, winding your way away somewhere. River, I love you, don't you care if you're on the run? Winding someplace just trying to find the sun. Whether the sunshine or the rain. River, I love you just the same. River, I love you just the same. I see those same stars through my window that you see through yours, but we're worlds apart, worlds apart. And I see those same skies through brown eyes that you see through blue, but we're worlds apart, worlds apart. Just like the earth, just like the sun, two worlds together are better than one. I see the sunrise in your eyes that you see in mine, but we're worlds apart, worlds apart. I see the same stars to my window that you see through yours, but we're worlds apart, worlds apart. And you see the same skies through brown eyes that I see through blue, but we're worlds apart, worlds apart. in the old yonder tree. Twala-dee-ah-dee-dee-da, dee-dee-dee.
Do you wanna go to heaven? Do you wanna go to heaven? Well, I'll tell you right now. You better learn to read and you better learn your writing, or you'll never get to heaven because you won't know how. Hey, hey, it's a situation. Deserve an education and make that
maybe fishing, maybe somewhere sitting just wishing I was fishing. Oh, I Huckleberry me, do hereby declare myself to be nothing ever other than exactly what I am, and I'll never change for no one, no matter what they say. If I wanna smoke in church, I'll smoke. If I wanna pray, I'll pray. Oh, I Huckleberry me, do hereby declare myself to be nothing ever other than exactly what I am. And I'll never change for no one, no matter what they say. If I wanna go to school, I'll go. If I wanna stay away, I'll stay. Oh, I Huckleberry me, do hereby declare myself to be nothing ever other than exactly what I am. Nothing ever other than exactly what I am.
I've always heard I ain't too sure that a man must burn in the man's curse. I kind of favor the hog, myself about a year for the hog. See, a hog ain't nothing but a porky thing, little porky beak with a nosy ring. Pickle that feet, folks, I want a hand for a hog. Took the notion, I bet. Good hog will make a hell of a pet. You could teach him to ride and hunt. You clean him up and let him sit up front. Diddle-diddle-diddle-diddle-doo. The way things go, you might get bit by the old Fido. Not that general porky friend. How about a hand for the hog? For the hog, I get a commie-yak. Well, it was terrible as a matter of fact. That hog was a funny sucker, though. How about a hand for the hog? Take the notion, I bet. You could teach a hog to smoke a cigarette. Well, that might take a little bit of time, but heck, what's time to a hog? The way I see it, it looks like this. Either you ain't or either you is. The true blue life of the swine, folks. How about a hand for the hog? Thank you.
Look out for me, almighty waters, your mysteries I cannot find. And I need walk over some place, and I need to climb up on your back and ride. You look for me when you see me coming. I may be running, I don't know. I may be tired, I am fever. I'll be raised up to walk you home. Look out for me, almighty waters, your mysteries I cannot find. I gotta keep on going someplace. I gotta keep climb up on your back and ride. Look out for me, almighty waters, your mysteries I cannot find. I gotta keep on going someplace. I gotta keep climb up on your back and
Look, everybody! The showboat's coming down the river. It's coming down the Mississippi. You see?
See the showboat, that's old Captain Angus Cotton Blossom, will you go? Let me take you to the show. It will be delightful, but too rightfully set time not to make for mom. Get permission from the mom.
Captain Andy has gathered a troupe of the greatest of drummers and jolly comedies. Beautiful Miss Julie Lover, Miss Magnolia.
Get on, Cotton Blossom, Cotton Blossom, Captain Andy's floating show. Blues and laughter, concert after, everybody's sure to know. Cotton Blossom.
just an unimportant technicality. We can make believe I love you, only make believe that you love me. All this fine peace of mind in pretending. Couldn't you? Couldn't I? Couldn't we? Make believe our lips are blending in a phantom kiss, or two or three. Might as well make believe I love you, or to tell the truth, I do. champagne from a slipper.
Though it seems cruel to bust all your dreams, still I must. Here's the truth I tell you. Life upon the wicked stage ain't ever what a girl supposes. Stage door Johnny's heart raging over you with gems and roses. When you let a feather hold your hand, it means an extra beer or seven. Everybody whispers ain't her life over. Life upon the wicked stage ain't ever what a girl supposes. Stage door Johnny's heart raging over you with gems and roses. When you let a feather hold your hand, which means an extra beer or sandwich. Life upon the wicked stage ain't nothing more than on shelves.
There's an old man called the Mississippi. That's the old man that I'd like to be. What does he care if the world's got troubles? What does he care if the land ain't free? Old Man River, that old man River, he must know something, but don't say nothing. He just keeps rolling, he keeps on rolling along. He don't plant cedars, he don't plant cotton, and then that's planting is soon forgotten. And old man River, he just keeps rolling along. You and me, we sweat and strain, body all aching and racked with pain. Tote that barge, lift that bell, get a little drunk and you land in jail. I get weary and sick of trying. I'm tired of living and scared of dying. But old man River, he just keeps rolling along. Come along with me to the Mississippi. We'll take a boat to the land of dreams, steam down the river down to New Orleans. The band's here to meet us. Whoa, friends who meet us. We're both alive and both looks neat. This place so sweet, tastes like sweet, tastes like sweet. Always means in New Orleans, land of dreams. Join